Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best law student gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to support someone navigating the rigorous world of legal education, offering a blend of practical tools, stress relief items, and unique keepsakes that acknowledge their hard work and dedication, making their demanding journey a little more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 5. Supreme Court Heat Changing Mug by UPG. Start your day with a touch of legal history. This unique mug helps you set the precedent for a truly important day. When it's cold, you'll see more than 30 famous and infamous U.S. Supreme Court cases displayed. Each one a piece of history. Pour in your favorite hot beverage, and watch the magic unfold. The victor of each case is dramatically revealed before your eyes. It makes an ideal graduation gift for any aspiring law student. Or surprise your most discerning family member with this thoughtful present. This 12-ounce ceramic coffee cup features a comfortable handle. It arrives in a beautifully designed, colorful gift box, ready for gifting. It's microwave safe for convenience. To keep it in pristine condition, please hand wash only and avoid soaking. What we like? This mug offers an interactive way to explore legal history. Its heat-changing design reveals case winners, making learning fun. If you appreciate unique, educational gifts or want a conversation starter, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Transform your daily shower into a luxurious spa retreat. These aromatherapy steamers are designed to enhance your well-being and provide a moment of tranquility. Infused with premium Clarity essential oils, they release a soothing fragrance. Simply place one in your shower and let the calming aromas envelop you. Looking for a unique present? They make an ideal gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion for both women and men who deserve a little pampering. Experience ultimate stress relief and relaxation. Let the gentle steam and essential oils melt away tension, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Prioritize your self-care routine with these easy-to-use tablets. They offer a simple yet powerful way to indulge in a moment of peace and personal restoration. Each pack contains 6 premium tablets, ensuring multiple sessions of blissful aromatherapy. They are crafted for a consistent and delightful experience every time. What we like? These steamers provide a luxurious, spa-like aromatherapy experience. They are perfect for unwinding and de-stressing after a long day. If you're looking for self-care and relaxation, these are ideal for finding calm. What people say. No review content was provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract positive points as the source JSON was empty. Number 3. KLUBI Keep Talking Wine Tumbler 12 ounces. Looking for a unique gift for the therapist or counselor in your life? This thoughtful present is designed to bring a smile and a moment of relaxation. Thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps beverages at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you prefer your coffee piping hot or your wine perfectly chilled, it's got you covered. Crafted from 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, this tumbler is incredibly durable and rust-resistant. Plus, its BPA-free lid ensures your drinks are always safe and taste pure. The clear, push-on lid makes it spill-resistant and perfect for on-the-go use. Take it to parties, camping trips, or simply enjoy it at home without worries. With a convenient 12-ounce capacity, it's the ideal size for your favorite beverage and fits comfortably in your hand. Use it for wine, coffee, juice, or tea. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This tumbler excels in keeping beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. Its durable design and humorous quote make it practical and fun. If you need reliable, portable drinkware with a touch of personality, this is a great fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Funny Lawyer Allegedly T-shirt. Searching for a unique present for the legal professional in your life? This T-shirt is designed to bring a smile to any attorney's face. It's a thoughtful and humorous choice. Featuring a witty, allegedly design, it's a playful nod to legal jargon. They'll appreciate the clever humor. It truly stands out. Whether for women or men, this shirt makes a great statement. It's a versatile gift for any lawyer. They will love wearing it. Made for comfort, it's perfect for casual wear or as a conversation starter. They can wear it with pride. It's available in various sizes. Forget boring gifts, this one is sure to be remembered. It's an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give them something truly special. What we like. This shirt features a witty, profession-specific phrase that sparks smiles. It's a light-hearted way to express legal humor and personality. If you enjoy funny apparel or want to show off your legal wit, this shirt is perfect. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source as the source JSON was empty. Therefore, no points could be selected or quoted from original content. Number 1. Haikus for law students. Introducing a unique way to approach legal studies. This book offers a fresh perspective on complex legal concepts, making them more accessible and memorable. Law school can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. It distills intricate topics into concise, poetic forms, aiding comprehension and retention. Each haiku cleverly encapsulates key legal principles. This innovative method transforms dry legal texts into engaging, bite-sized lessons. Designed specifically for law students, it helps reinforce learning and provides a quick review tool. You'll find yourself grasping difficult subjects with greater ease. Enhance your study routine and make legal concepts stick. Get your copy today and experience a new dimension of legal education. What we like. This book offers a unique, poetic, and humorous take on law school life. It provides a much-needed dose of laughter and perspective during intense studies. If you appreciate clever writing and need a break from textbooks, this is an excellent pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.